Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a VW Tiguan battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench and a battery terminal puller. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged. Always wear protective gloves and eye protection to safeguard yourself from any potential hazards during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe battery removal. Now let's disconnect the battery terminals. First, locate the negative terminal, usually marked with a minus sign. Using your 10mm wrench, loosen and remove this cable first. Then, proceed to the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign, and remove that cable. It is crucial to ensure these disconnected cables do not touch any metal parts of your vehicle to prevent short circuits. With the terminals disconnected, it is time to remove the battery itself. Find the hold-down clamp or strap that secures the battery in its tray. Loosen or remove the bolt or mechanism holding it down. Now, carefully lift the battery out. Remember, batteries are quite heavy, often weighing around 40 pounds, so lift with your legs. Place the old battery in a safe spot for recycling. When installing a new battery, first clean the battery tray and terminals. Place the new battery securely into the tray and reattach the hold-down mechanism. Remember to connect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal. Finally, apply a small amount of dielectric grease to both terminals. This helps prevent corrosion and ensures a strong, reliable electrical connection for your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.